Welcome back to Jeep Mudmaster, your home on the road for beastly rigs, badass builds, and mobile luxury. If you crave adventure and love life on six wheels, buckle up because today's ride is going to leave tire tracks on your imagination. We're diving into the Fleetwood RV Motorhome, a bold and beautiful creation in a vibrant blue and white colorway. It's got the looks, the muscle, and the tech to back it all up. With a rugged long body, 6x6 wheels, and road-commanding presence, this motorhome is a dream for nomads who want it all. Let's get rolling. Exterior front view. Feast your eyes on the front view of the Fleetwood RV Motorhome. Standing proud at the official Fleetwood showroom, the vibrant blue and white color combo instantly catches the eye, glowing under the showroom lights. That unmistakable Fleetwood logo is centered boldly on the grille, a symbol of quality, reliability, and American craftsmanship. Its massive LED headlights, chrome-lined bumper, and aerodynamic hood scream power and luxury all at once. This is not just a vehicle. It's a presence on the road. One glance, and you know, this rig means business. Top side view. Let's elevate the view, literally. From the top, the Fleetwood RV Motorhome reveals its off-grid heart. High-efficiency solar panels are mounted neatly across the rooftop, constantly soaking up the sun to power your gadgets and essentials. You'll also spot a sleek antenna system, giving you uninterrupted signal, even in remote zones. And of course, there's a roof-mounted AC unit, keeping things cool inside, no matter what the outside throws at you. This top setup is smart, stealthy, and self-reliant, perfect for any nomad on the move. Backside view. Now let's check out the back end, because the adventure doesn't stop at the front. On the rear of the Fleetwood RV, you got a strategically mounted spare tire, ready for anything rough and rugged. Just beneath it, a heavy-duty cycle carrier is installed, ideal for your mountain bike or electric scooter, giving you options when you park and want to explore. The double rear doors are secure and strong, and that vibrant color theme wraps around with consistency and flair. Built tough and smart, that's the Fleetwood way. Side view. Let's swing to the side. And here's where the camping luxury kicks in. The Fleetwood RV Motorhome features a fully retractable side awning, creating your personal outdoor lounge. Imagine pulling up to a scenic spot, rolling out this tent, setting up some chairs, and watching the sunset with your favorite brew in hand. With the push of a button, this awning transforms your stop into a 5-star outdoor living space. It's all about comfort, style, and soaking in the freedom that comes with life on wheels. Driving compartment. Step inside the driving compartment, and you'll see why this is called a motorhome masterpiece. The driver's area is decked out with 2 LED screens, one for navigation and media, the other showing a live feed from the rear view camera for flawless parking and reversing. The dashboard is tech-loaded, with intuitive controls, soft touch panels, and ambient lighting. Captain-style leather seats offer comfort like no other, making long drives feel like a breeze. It's a cockpit made for the commander of the open road. Sitting and sleeping area. Behind the driver's seat lies the comfort core, the sitting and sleeping zone. During the day, it's a chill-worthy sofa area with a fold-out table, great for work, meals, or gaming. When night falls, the sofa seamlessly transforms into a spacious bed for 2 adults. Add in soft LED mood lighting, overhead storage cabinets, and blackout curtains, and you got a mobile bedroom that rivals hotel luxury. It's cozy, clean, and cleverly designed for rest after your daily road adventures. Kitchen. Let's talk about cooking on the go, because this Fleetwood RV has you covered. Nestled beside the sitting area, the compact kitchen unit features a 2-burner stove, a stainless steel sink, and a mini fridge to keep your food and drinks cool. You've also got upper cabinets for spices and dry goods, a lower drawer set for utensils, and a small countertop perfect for meal prep or that all-important morning coffee. Clean, functional, and stylish. This kitchen proves that good things come in compact packages. Washroom. Yes, there's a fully functional washroom, and it's far from basic. It's a cleverly designed wet bath, equipped with a space-saving toilet, a foldable sink, and a multi-use shower head. A small skylight brightens the space and keeps it ventilated. Shelves and hooks line the walls to hold your towels and toiletries. The waterproof interior makes cleaning a breeze, and privacy is key with a locking door. Whether it's a quick rinse after hiking or brushing up before bed, this washroom punches above its weight. And that wraps up our deep dive into Fleetwood RV Motorhome, a vibrant blue and white rolling legend that blends luxury with rugged off-road readiness. With a 6x6 wheel setup, solar power, high-tech interior, and room for everything you love, this mobile beast is ready for wherever the road takes you. And here's the kicker. It's all yours for just $676,000. So what do you think? Let us know in the comments. We love hearing from fellow road rebels. And as always, force them to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Catch you in the next ride.